Want to know how to enable mouse smoothing in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this gear icon right here, which is the settings. So you can just simply select settings. Now by default you should be under video right here, and in the middle you should be seeing something known as controls. This is your mouse control, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected your mouse control, you should be provided with these interface right here, and on the second we should be seeing something known as mouse smoothing. So it should be disabled by default, so you can just simply select this arrow icon to enable it, and you can select apply just like this right here, and then your mouse smoothing should be applied. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.